Why is my... Parang ang filter na naman tong ano. Guys, sorry walang... Ba't dito wala akong pimple? Yung red na yan sa personal, guys. Huwag kayo maniwala dito sa ano. Yan yung totoong skin natin. Itong TikTok, napaka catfish. Sana yun. Thank you. I feel so ugly right now. Like, I don't feel myself. Maybe because I'm on my days. I feel so bloated lately. And nagbo-bloat nga ako. Malaki ako ngayon. And it's normal. I'm tired. Wait lang. Sige po sa 20. Ano meron sa 20, guys? I'm sorry. Yeah. Because I'm a fairy. Ulit. Yes, kakagising ko lang because I'm a fairy. Ate Ans. Yeah, this is the natural Angie. She's going back to being a normal Angie, but upgraded. Hello, Louis Basco. But God, I don't have my voice. Paus ako, guys. No, I'm not, sadly. Unfortunately, I am not in Siargao, but fortunate enough that I'm here. Blessed and working hard. Mag-emerge tayo. September song to eh. This is my September playlist. Alam nyo title nito, September din. Tapos naka-instrumental to. Dapat vibes tayo. Parang ritual. Emerging the good vibes in our lives. I am beautiful, gaganda ako lalo. Sexy tayo lalo. Yaman tayo lalo. Yaman tayo lalo. Ay, sorry. Galing pa ako sa Leyte, sa Kabalian. And I went there to perform. Kila ni Miss Mylene and her family invited me there to perform. And yeah, can't wait to go back to Leyte. I'm probably gonna visit there again. I'm going back for Ma'am Mylene and her family. I'm going back there because of because of Kirsten, Ma'am Kirsten, and Ma'am Maria, and Kuya Soy Soy. They're the best people in the world. Like, they're so kind. And I learned a lot there, like during our travel to Kabalian from Tacloban, because it's really long. Guys, that was the first time na it made me really sleepy traveling, because I don't sleep when I travel land. I do not sleep because I always watch out for my mom and my brother every time na we try to travel by land. So I don't sleep in land, like long ride. But that was the time that I don't know what happened, but I just couldn't, like, hindi ko lang mabuksan lang maayos yung mata ko because my eyes keep on just falling asleep. And there's really something about Leyte because this happens every time I travel in land sa Leyte. I remember before, like, there's something about Leyte. And that was the place where, like, lagi kami nagbabakasyon on our elementary days. And I remember, like, my mom and my dad and my brother and, like, the whole family, like, went to I don't know if it's Maasin, but there's this hot spring and cold spring, and that's when I learned how to swim for the first time on water and not dagat. Hi, Sky Shop. Thank you, Louis Basco. Ah. Hi, Tita Cherilyn. How are you? How's your life in abroad? I'm a proud Litania. Aww. And you know, fun fact, Mr. Jean's from there. Also in Leyte. And she talks about, like, Leyte, like, when we get to talk. Sa ASAP, she talks about Leyte a lot. And it really, murag, karabang, talks about how she loves her home. So your face? I don't think I'm prepared to do your face sounds familiar, guys. Because for me, I think I have to learn a lot more. So am I doing, like, more dancing and more singing para if I get to impersonate someone, hindi siya, alam mo yung maganda. I tried auditioning once. I was 19. I auditioned. Nakapunta ako sa second round ng audition. Third round, hindi na ako nakuha. Alam niyo guys, impersonate ko si Jaya, tsaka si Britney Spears, because I love Britney Spears so much. You guys too, but next time I'll be going home. This year, kay nakaulit naman ko ng June, August, February, January. I might, and my soul is energized. My soul is healed because of that. So right now, I think I'm ready to take on whatever's life going to bring me. And I'll work my ass off if I have to. I will. Oh, Kong, where were you then? Yeah, I'll be posting some reels sa Estee Lauder. It's just that the lighting here is not really nice, guys. I want something na it's a good quality ba. I love Estee. You know, like I took a product there again. The concealer, my goodness. Like I have it here. Wait, the concealer, it's so nice, it's so good. Si OA. Si OA. I was so shocked like when I used it sa airport. I used it sa airport man good kay to look pretty ra ba, to like conceal lang the dark bags here, and then here the scars that I have. So like I was concealing it, and then when I look at the mirrors, girl, it disappeared. Like I couldn't see any dark spots. I couldn't see any like bags there. The dark bags. Here, visible here, my dark bags. Because, like, we were so early. We traveled so early.
Restore the balance with new Pond's Ultralight Bioderm Gel. Made with millions of prebiotics to help balance.
Kanos apa ako sa Cebu? We'll see. I have big plans in my life.
Workout mode on. Walang istorbo. Stay hyped with high-quality sound. Walang ads, kaya full focus sa grind. Power up your reps with
Di ako marinig. Problema nyo na yun.
Cancel anytime. Tap the banner to learn more.
Where's Kabantayan? Where's Bantayan Island ba? Where's that? In Cebu? Is it good? Is it nice there? Northern Cebu. I'll try to go with Dasha. I have big plans for myself. Like huge step for myself. I was so excited to do. Oh, really? Sana kumakapit sa Diyos. Kasi kung wala kang Diyos, wala kang patutunguhan. Gets? Kung di mo gets, problema mo na yun. No, not yet po. Really? I'll try to visit there. April? Was I there, April? Ba't di mo ako inanuhan? Inapitan raw na. Pero wag tayo magpicture sa CR, guys. Ang weird naman sa CR. Kung sino man yung sa mga sunshine siya na makita ako sa sa person, tapos nasa CR, wag tayong magpicture sa CR! Oh my God! Nakakahiya. Pag picture nyo, tapos may ball sa likod. Parang nakakahiya yun. Tsaka etiquette na din yun pag nasa CR tayo. It means that we're there to like pamper and we're there to do CR ba? To ihe, to libang, whatever. We can take photos together, maybe outside. Wag lang sa CR. So weird. Like, it's the strangest place to take a picture. Yes, because I am Bisaya myself. I'm a proud Bisaya myself. Thank you, my best. Good luck, Zia. Thank you, my best. I don't really know what's my initial height is, but I think I'm not tall, guys. You think I'm tall? I am not tall. I'm really pretty average. I think I'm just 5'3", 5'4". Yes, guys, Garnier. I'm telling you, Garnier is a lifesaver for me. Humiyang ako. Kasi I haven't visited pa sa Faces, so this is my this is my backup. Sinabihan mo ng special. What do you mean? Thank you, my best. I think so. Maybe I am just 5'3" and 5'4". I don't really know. But everybody's telling me, oh, you're tall, you're tall. I don't know. Ay, okay. Yeah! Girl! Asa naman mo? Wait lang guys, nahilo lang ako, sorry. Sorry, nahilo lang ako. I just moved to instantly. Yeah, malapit na birthday ko. Really? No, I ate. It's just that maybe I was too tired. Not really. Plans sa birthday? Not much. I maybe on my birthday I like to keep it all to myself, like the mismong day. I don't wanna go out. I just wanna diverse and immersed on being 23. Ano yan? Ba't may ganyan? Thank you, my best. Ba't tumunog? Really? Ay! Ay, si Ma'am Maylin! I miss you, Ma'am Maylin! May fan account ka pala, Ma'am Maylin eh. How are you? Nahihilo na naman ako, guys. Wait lang.
Maybe that's where you come in. Maybe that's where you and I begin. I want some good loving. I want some good loving. Want it to mean something. Set this old heart buzzing. Maybe that's where you come in. Maybe that's where you and I begin.
Okay, sorry guys. Nahilo na naman ako. I think pagod lang to.
A place beyond the clouds with everyone we've ever known. It don't matter where we go.
Wait lang ha. Tayo lang ako.
If you were born to run, I was made to run with
you. Wait lang. Kausapin niyo muna laptop ko.
I need some church, darling. I need some church, darling. I am a false prophet. I must confess, darling.
I think I'm gonna drink a water lang muna. I'll be back. Patugtog muna ako. Mag-listen muna kayo. Hello, MacBook, and hello to music. I'll just drink water and I'll be back.
Our love's a great mountain. Our love's a great mountain. Climbed up and fell down it. We live to laugh about it. Baby, you and I survived. Maybe God thanks you that I'm alive. No, I don't need a heavenly home, a place beyond the clouds of everyone we've ever known. It don't matter where we go. If you were born to run, I was made to run with you. I was made for you. I was made for you. I wanna feel something. I want some good loving. Take me to church, darling. Our love's a great mountain. Baby, after all this time, maybe home is you and I've arrived.
Not feeling well, guys. I'm sorry. I might end in a bit na lang. I think I'm gonna sleep more. I think I need that. I'm so sorry, guys. Wala, di ko nakita yung corgi. Thank you sa corgi. Yeah, mag-rest muna ako, guys. Nahilo ako. Siguro dahil sa pagod. Maaga kasi kami kanina bimahe. Tapos, nakatulog na lang ako bigla kanina. Tapos, nahilo na naman ako ngayon. Maybe, cause, uplain ako eh. Siguro mababa yung iron ko. Wala, basta parang gusto kong maiyak. I think my body is telling me something, guys. Oh my goodness. But anyways, I really wanted to talk with you. I wanna catch up because I miss you. Gusto nyo? Sleep call tayo. Jowa lang. Ay! Oh no! Sayang. And I'm using Bifina, guys. Bumili kayo Bifina. This is a real fine ass. I won't say if it's a moisturizer, but it's a new nourishing cream. And girl, it lightened up this part of my face. Like, this one is so dark. With the help of Garnier and this one, like, I have options. If I couldn't visit, like, if I couldn't visit Faces and Curves, kasi hiyang nahiyang ako sa Faces and Curves, this is where I go to. No, I'm not in Surgo. And it smells so freaking good. Thank you, my best mistake. This is by Fina, by Ate Loisa. Follow Ate Loisa. Support Ate Loisa's product, because this is. Thank you. Color sa Garnier mo. Ito yung yung Bright Complex. Ito, yellow one. And ba't ako nanginginig? Bright anti-acne. So, ayun. Nanginginig ako, guys. Wait lang. Ano ba yan? Sige, guys. Maybe I'll end this na. And this is my September. Sound of September. May playlist. I make a playlist. Chill lang. Sad songs and love songs. And good night. I'll promise I'll catch up with you guys. Maybe the next day. 17. Are you good in 17? We'll talk on 17. And ayun. I'll say good night na. And I love you guys. Bye-bye!